Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Trish TV and welcome to my kitchen. Y'all, we are in the kitchen tonight. We finna cook. So for some of y'all who know me, y'all thought y'all knew me well, but y'all did not know. I know how to cook. Fun fact about me, I have been cooking since I was 13 years old. My mom and my dad, they did not play. Me and my siblings, we had to learn how to cook, and 13 they felt was a really good age to learn how to cook little things before we started cooking like really big meals. I'll be honest, I did not like cooking. I thought cooking was boring. It took too much time. I couldn't stand it. But that's when I used to make the same types of meals over and over again. It wasn't until I moved out on my own in my 20s and I started cooking different things and I actually started to enjoy cooking. So we are in the kitchen and we are cooking today. The good thing about it is, even though I don't always like to cook, I think it's good, especially in your 30s, to at least know how to cook. So for those times when you don't feel like going to get fast food or you don't feel like going to the restaurant or spending money, at least you know how to cook for yourself. And no, I did not envision that I'd still be single in my 30s. But guess what? I'm okay with it because there's always the upside to everything. The upside to being single in my 30s is I don't have a family of my own. I don't have a husband. So guess what? If I don't feel like cooking, I'm not gonna cook. I am good with a little salad or even some cereal or breakfast for dinner or a sandwich. I don't have to cook if I don't want to. So just a little plug, if you are in your 30s and you're still single, girl, don't feel bad. That's the upside. You don't have to if you don't want to. But anyway, we're in the kitchen cooking today and I am so excited. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what I'm cooking, and we're gonna make this a really, really good meal that you could even do on your own if you wanted to. So whenever I'm cooking, I love to have me a little glass of wine. This is my Barefoot Moscato peach flavor. I love to have a little glass of wine. It just kind of puts me in the mood of cooking. And then I have like a little soft music playing in the background. It just really gives me that vibe of like restaurant feels, you know what I'm saying? Like I really get in the mood to cook. This is what your HelloFresh bag looks like. I've already undone mine. So it comes in the box, and then you pull out the bag with all of your ingredients inside of the bag. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly the meal and everything that I have in my bag. Okay, so I'm showing you guys again. We are cooking the grilled onion cheeseburger with the potatoes on the side. On the back, they tell you exactly what you need before you begin cooking. So for this, I need a baking sheet, 2 small bowls, a large pan, salt and pepper, cooking oil, and sugar. All right, y'all, so I have cooked. We are done cooking. Y'all saw the whole process, quick and easy. So now I am getting ready to try. First, I just want y'all to see another look. You guys, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to bite into this. First, I'm gonna try my potato wedges. Cooked perfectly. Now, for the grand finale, I'm getting ready to try this burger. That is so good. Y'all have to try this. When you do HelloFresh, make sure you try the grilled onion burger is what it is. Grilled onion cheeseburger. She snapped. That's fire for real. So I wanted to show y'all the box that it comes in. This is your HelloFresh box. Obviously, if you are a family of 3 or more, your box might be bigger with all of your meals in it. But this is how big my box is. They drop it off right at your doorstep. All you do is pick it up, come inside. But they do have the cooling and ice packs and stuff inside the box, so you don't have to worry about it spoiling or anything depending on what you got. They do make sure they keep the ice packs and everything perfectly sealed in the box. Mine starts at 2 meals per box, so they don't start at 1, obviously. It starts at 2 per box, and it's every week, y'all. I definitely recommend HelloFresh. They are a very, very good meal kit. And for me, I'm doing it because I want to learn how to cook different types of meals. So if you have a favorite YouTuber that you know that has thousands and thousands of subscribers, I'm pretty sure they are actually being sponsored by HelloFresh. You can use their discount code and you can get your first, I believe it's 5 or 6 meals at a discount rate, which is what I did watching one of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment if you've ever tried HelloFresh and you like these types of videos. Let me know in the comments below. And of course, subscribe. I'm finna go and devour this burger. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.